Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless to your PS4 in 2026. Now to begin with, the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless uses the 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle. So it connects directly to your console without Bluetooth pairing. So first of all, you need to take the USB dongle that comes with your headset. Afterwards, you need to insert it into one of the USB ports on your PS4. Once you have done that, the console will recognize it as a USB audio device. After doing this, you just have to simply press and hold the power button on your headset until it turns on. The headset will automatically pair with the USB dongle. In most of the cases, this connection happens instantly without any manual setup. Now once that is done, simply go to your settings, then go to devices, and after that simply look for the option of audio devices on your PS5. Now over here you need to set the following, like for input device and for output device you need to set HyperCloud 3 wireless, and this ensures both the game audio and the microphone are working. Then you can just scroll down and then you can set the output or to the headphones as all audio, and this allows you to hear both game sound and chat audio through the headset. Finally, you can adjust the volume and the microphone levels from the same settings menu to match your preferences. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.